Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss one more point of Python programming, that is variable. As usual, variable is not part for the Python only. It is obviously for any programming we need to know about variable. But here why I am telling Python variable? Because here we are going to discuss variable basis on the Python programming concept. Okay. So first of all, the thing is coming that how we can categorize this variable or object in this Python. So we can categorize it in three part, that is identity, type and value. So step by step, one by one we will see, and after that we will see related program. First of all, identity. What is identity of a variable or of an object? Identity is just refers the address of the object or variable in the memory. That means when we are declaring the variable or the object, where this variable or object is locating in your computer memory, that address actually the identity of that variable. Now the syntax for that is id. That means we use the method id to know the address of the variable. So we can go through just one example. Say x, and x is holding the value 10. Now we know 10 is an integer value. Yes, this is the address location, the memory address location for the variable x or the object x. Same as you can declare one more variable. This is another address, memory address, location address for the object y. So this is the concept of identity of a variable. Okay, what are the types of variable? Now the next query is coming in our mind, that if we can declare a variable, then how many types are available for variable? So for that we need to know data types. So data types means what type of data we can store in this variable, or what type of or the variable or object what we are declaring, we are mapping this variable with what type of data. So for that, we before started this concept, we need to know about types of data, different how many available data type for in Python. So numbers, none, sequences, sets, mapping, these are the available data types. Now numbers having, you can say again, four parts like integer, boolean, floating point, complex. Then a sequence also can be classified into string, tuple, list, and mapping also can be classified in dictionary. Now escape sequences is also another part that we will learn here. So the bold part will go through some example for that, but actually basis on this data type classification, we have another category also, that is immutable data type and mutable data type. Under immutable data type we have numbers, string and tuples, and under mutable data type list, dictionary and sets. But here we are not going to discuss this concept in detail. Obviously for this you need to subscribe and you need to attach with this tutorial part, that will step by step, when we will come to that part where we can discuss this immutable and mutable concept. Obviously we will discuss that concept. Okay, then after that we must see, so the basic look of data type. So data type can be number, it can be a string. Escape sequences is coming, it's not data type, it is coming under this category. Why? Because escape sequences we use to manage our program. It's not exactly part of data type. Okay, and then boolean and none. So after that, another part of Python variable is coming, that is value. What is value? Value, that means the value you are assigning to a variable. So like in this example we have seen that in x we have assigned a value 10. Okay, so this is the value 10, so x is mapping to 10. Now x is 10, now y equal to, again I am writing 10. So what actually happening, x and y both is mapping the value 10. The concept I can make clear with this. This is x is equal to 3, so we are assigning value 3 to the variable or the object x. Now after this, when we are assigning y 3 to y, that means y is equal to 3 if we write, then that means we are mapping y, this variable new, to the same value 3. Now after that, if we assign y is equal to 2 separately in that same program, that means we are mapping y to separate another one variable to 2. So like this way, x is equal to 3 means it is assigning to it's mapping to the value 3, then x and y both is mapping to 3, then x and y separately mapping to separate to value. So like this way value works. We will go through different program. Just after this, the next video you need to follow to know the detailed concept of data type, because once your data type is clear, data type declaration and value declaration is clear, your base of Python is clear. So just follow the next video to know detailed program through the program application in program. Okay, so with this, thank you. The theory part of variable is complete over here. Bye.